Welcome to the CX Cafe. My name is Rich Brose with Merit CX, and I'm here this afternoon with Dan Allen of Bank of the West and Rich Dorfman from Eastern Bank, and we're going to be discussing retail banking and the future of retail banking. I'll direct my first question to Dan Allen. Dan, what is the impact of the digital evolution on retail banking? We know that there is a lot of activity in the marketplace now as the millennials start to become an increasingly important target for banks. So what impact do you think the digital evolution is having on banking?
I think there's obviously a couple different impacts. I mean, one is banks are very much in a catch-up mode. They had not invested really in the technology as many retailers had, and so we're kind of playing some catch-up. So a lot of investment dollars going towards the digital platforms to help better service our customers. But then, of course, you know, when you think about from the customer's point of view, it is starting to take a lot of transactions out of the branches. Because people can use remote capture, mobile banking, online banking, and so forth. And that's a good thing. But I think one of the things that we need to be mindful of in customer experience is that as these customers move excuse me, more into digital, studies show that they're actually less loyal than those customers who still maintain a relationship with the branch, because it's about people at the end of the day.
Do you think it's the distancing that's
well, I think that's some of it, but I think what banks need to achieve is what is the right interaction to have with customers. So, you know, they don't need to come into a branch to do a basic deposit or something. You basically, often you have a phone in your, or a bank branch in your wallet, right, you know, or in your pocket. But I think banks need to make sure that they're ratcheting up and offering financial advice so that when customers do come in, it's a value add proposition, not something as basic as a transaction. And I think a lot of banks were going to start to struggle with that because they're trying to push customers to the digital channels because it's cheaper, and then they're going to see lower loyalty and advocacy and then think, oh my goodness, what is it that we need to do? Well, it's about that relationship.